Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Intex Pool Plugs is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of winterizing your inflatable pool, ensuring your pool is protected from damage and ready for the next swim season. Selecting the right plugs is crucial, and this video will guide you through identifying the perfect Intex Pool Plugs for your needs, considering factors like pool size, material, and ease of use, ultimately helping you make an informed decision to safeguard your investment. Number 5. Above-ground pool plugs. These versatile plugs are compatible with a wide range of above-ground pools, including popular Intex and Coleman models. They're perfect for various pump sizes, ensuring a proper fit for your pool's needs. Maintaining your pool is now easier than ever. These plugs create a watertight seal, preventing leaks while you clean or replace your filter pump. Made from durable PVC, they provide a secure and reliable seal. It's waterproof, chill-proof, and designed for long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. Their compact size makes them easy to store and transport. They won't take up much space, yet they're essential for maintaining your pool's cleanliness and functionality. Designed to fit 16-foot and below above-ground pools with 1.14-inch diameter hoses and drains. Always double-check your measurements before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. It boasts wide compatibility and is designed for smaller pools. If you have an Intex or Coleman pool under 16 feet and need a compact, easy-to-store solution, this is the perfect choice. Its small size makes it ideal for those with limited storage space, ensuring it's always readily available when needed. What people say. Fits perfectly and no leaks. These are good stoppers for the above-ground pool. One of ours had gotten lost and we were using the little tube that the mini M&M candy comes in because it fits in the hole perfectly, but the grandkids accidentally knocked it loose once. These plugs are cheap enough and do a good job. For the life of me, I can't find the original plugs that came with our pool. Amazon to the rescue within 24 hours. These work as well if not better than the originals. Number 4. SKARUMMER Pool Plugs. Don't let a missing plug ruin your pool fun. These replacement plugs create a tight seal, keeping your pool water where it belongs. It's designed to fit most Intex, Bestway, Coleman, and Summer Escape pools. The precise dimensions ensure a perfect fit and reliable seal. Made from durable, high-quality rubber, it's soft, flexible, and provides a superior seal to prevent leaks. It's a direct replacement, just like the original. Installation is quick and easy, getting you back to swimming in minutes. We stand behind our product. Purchase with confidence, knowing you're covered by our 24-month warranty. With these reliable replacement plugs, you can relax and enjoy your pool worry-free. Get yours today. What we like. This offers great value with its 4-pack and is made from durable, high-quality rubber. If you're looking for a long-lasting, reliable solution and peace of mind, this is it. The extended warranty ensures you're covered, making it a smart investment for your pool maintenance. What people say. Fits perfectly in the hole. Quality so far is good. Performs well with no leakage when installed. They stay put. You could glue them in if you are worried kids will pull them out, but they are pretty snug. These little tools make changing and cleaning hoses a breeze. I also use them to block one side, while I use the vacuum for more suction. Number 3. Intex 25022E Pool Jet Kit. Maintaining a clean and healthy pool is easy with this replacement kit. It includes everything you need to keep the water flowing smoothly. This kit helps you circulate water efficiently. Enjoy a refreshing swim in clean, clear water. It comes with everything you need: strainers, nozzles, and plugs. Installation is simple and straightforward. This kit is designed to work perfectly with your Intex above-ground pool. It's a perfect fit for Easy Set and Prism series pools. It's built to last, ensuring years of reliable performance. Enjoy worry-free swimming season after season. With this kit, maintaining your pool is a breeze. Spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your pool. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for pool maintenance and is specifically designed for Intex pools. If you need a complete solution with various components and prefer a brand-matched approach, this kit is your best bet. It simplifies the process and ensures all parts work seamlessly together. What people say. These were a good fit for my new EvaJoy 16 by 32 metal frame pool. The pool did not come with any fitting to attach a pool vacuum. They could have fallen out of one of the boxes which arrived with open flaps. I found these and they fit the pool and my Intex robot vacuum perfectly. Also, they are very well made and will likely outlast the pool. Great product. The product worked perfectly. It was exactly what we needed and it came quickly. They were genuine Intex parts. Das Intex Anschlusset 32mm ist genau das, was ich gebraucht habe. Es passt perfekt zu meinem Pool und meiner Pump und ist auch compatible mit der Wasserbelbung. Die Installation war super einfach, und alles sitzt fest und sicher. Die Qualität der Materials ist wirklich robust, und ich habe keinerlei Probleme mit Lex oder Undichtigheten. Der 32mm Durchmesser ist ideal und sorgt für einen guten Wasserdurchfluss. Die graue Farbe passt auch optisch gut zum Rest meiner Pulsrüstung. Insgesamt bin ich sehr zufrieden, das Set ist absolut zuverlässig und ein Muss für jeden Intex Pool Besitzer. Klare Kaufempfehlung. Number 2. Intex Pool Filter Pump Plugs. These handy plugs are a must-have for your Intex pool maintenance. They're perfect for quickly stopping water flow when changing filters. This 4-pack provides plenty of spares. You'll always have a plug ready when you need it. Changing your pool filter is now a breeze. Simply insert these plugs to stop the water, swap the filter, and remove the plugs. They fit perfectly with Intex pumps that have a 1.25-inch diameter hose and no plunger valves. It's a perfect replacement part. This item is brand new, unused, and comes in its original packaging. Get yours today and keep your pool sparkling clean. These plugs are designed for summer escape pools and other models without plunger valves. They make filter maintenance simple and efficient. Ensure compatibility by checking your pump's GPH rating. These plugs are ideal for smaller pumps. What we like. This 4-pack of universal plugs offers convenience and ease of use. If you need multiple plugs and value a simple, straightforward solution, this is a great option. Its universal design ensures compatibility with a wide range of pools, making it a versatile choice for various pool owners. What people say. Unlike previous attempts that cost more and screw on, these cost far less and work. The plugs did just what they are supposed to do, plug the hole. Works well to block pool lines. Number 1. Intex Pool Filter Plugs. These handy plugs are essential for maintaining your above-ground pool. They're designed to quickly and easily stop water flow during filter changes, making cleaning a breeze. Changing your pool filter is now simple and mess-free. Just insert these plugs into the strainer holes to prevent water from escaping while you replace the filter. It fits a wide variety of Intex, Coleman, and summer escape pumps. Check if your pump model number is listed to ensure compatibility. Made from high-quality, waterproof PVC, they are built to last. Their flexibility ensures a tight seal, preventing leaks. These small, space-saving plugs are easy to store and always ready when you need them. Keep them handy for quick and efficient pool maintenance. These plugs are perfect for pools without plunger valves. They create a watertight seal, allowing for easy filter replacement without a mess. What we like. This 2-pack of durable plugs offers a balance of value and quality. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use solution and prefer a more cost-effective option, this is a great choice. Its durable construction ensures longevity, making it a practical addition to your pool maintenance supplies. What people say. These blue stoppers fit perfectly into the holes, does the job of stopping the water from leaking. I use these to plug the holes in my steel frame Intex pool when winterizing. I can change the filter in my Intex Coleman pool in about 3 minutes now. Compared to stuffing a rag in the hose, and fumbling around for 10 to 15 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.